Okay, here we've got my Wolf valve refacer. You've got wire wheel this side, real harsh. Take all this crap off the stem and the seat of the valve, and then you've got the stone. So to operate it, you'd clean that up usually, but this is just demonstration, so I'm not going to. This is a manky old valve. See what we can do with it. So it goes in there in the collet. Goes into the collet. Tighten that up. Difficult one-handed. Line it up roughly right, and then when the machine comes on, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring it in contact. You'll hear the noise, and then I'm just going to run it across the face a couple of times, very lightly, and away we go. Here we go. Good. And there we go. There's your freshly cut seat. Doesn't take very long. You're done.